Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Hyundai Tucson Active, stock reference number 5120. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right guard has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory display screen, touchscreen type, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and we'd like to thank you for watching this video.